On the headstock, mark out the location for the tuning heads. The distance from the center of each hole should be 1 inch, and 3/8 of an inch from the top edge of the headstock. Using a 3/8 of an inch drill bit, drill out the mounting holes. A truss rod is being installed to add extra support. This rod needs a slot 3/8 of an inch wide and 3/8 of an inch deep. Using masking tape, cover the truss rod and trim off the excess tape. Apply glue. It makes it very easy to line up the neck and fretboard if there are centerline marks. Securely clamp the fretboard in place and let it set up for 24 hours. Using masking tape, cover the area on the guitar body where the neck will be attached. Trace the heel of the neck onto the body. So I have it all laid out. So let's put on our safety glasses and our earplugs and let's go to work. Milling out the neck pocket is very important. Take your time. We want a good tight fit. Now take your neck plate and set it inside the neck pocket and mark the mounting holes. Drill the holes out with a bit that is a little larger than the mounting screws. This will make it much easier to make neck adjustments. Once the neck is in place, use either a straight edge or a laser to locate the center on the body. This center line is used to mount the bridge and the pickups. Measuring 12 3/4 of an inch from the 12th fret, I am marking the exact location for the bridge. Well, I'm one step closer. We have the neck in place. Now we need to route out for the Floyd Rose tremolo system. This router bit has a bearing mounted on the top. This allows me to mill inside a pattern. The bearing runs along the pattern and helps me make a perfect cut every time. Drill a 1/2 inch hole straight through the body. Flip it over to the back. What we have here is our hole where we're going to line up our next pattern, and that'll line us up perfectly to be able to route this out for our Floyd Rose tremolo system. I'll line up the pattern and trace. Here I am milling out the spring cavity, freehand, keeping inside the lines, milling about a 1/4 inch at a time. This area marked out is called the block cavity, and it needs to be milled out to a depth of 9/16 of an inch. We'll be right back. It is time now to mill out the pickup cavity using a router, a straight router bit, and a jig. This pickup is a DiMarzio X2N7 Power Plus. The router fits inside the jig, and its base plate will rest up against the jig, keeping the router bit within its boundaries. Mark out the location of the height adjustment tabs on the pickup and mill these out to the same depth as the pickup cavity. Find and drill out the locations for the bridge mounting screw inserts. Use a rubber mallet to tap in the screw inserts.